Would you do this deal? Lee County, Georgia, 3 acres. Seller describes a lot as wonderful land with deer, country setting. This is hilarious. Only 15 minutes from Albany, Georgia. $10,000. I'm going to sell it for $17,500 to $22,500. I will reuse this in the listing. Is this a good deal? And is the proposed sale price high, low, or just right? Okay.
Oh, it's going to be a good Thursday.
Does he have the house in front of it or whatever that is? Behind it, I guess.
This is a different property.
Alan, somebody else. Very interesting. You know, we sometimes worry who's going to traverse back there and build behind there. Here's a good example of people who do and did. You would think that it would be reverse, but that front one right on the road is available. So that's what's the property. So it's great. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. 3 acres. Oops. Houses are in there.
Makes you feel better.
Leesburg. So it's over here. It's a little scary.
That one's better.
On the water.
That's 2019, 2020, 2020. I'm looking at 2020 numbers. I only want the 2020 numbers.
No, it's
the most recent.
It's too hard to switch the stuff over constantly.
No, I'm just looking at it. Oh, no, you're okay. I'm eyeballing it.
It's too constant.
Don't worry about it. 53. Okay. Here's what we have going for it. We have a great description. Greg has. We have access. Can you get me some house prices?
Yeah.
Or get me down in there, preferably both.
Here's Cheehaw. So we're looking for comps right here.
Okay. Everything but that 28,000.
This is a really good comp. 3.5 acres. And very, very close to where this property is.
That's good.
Extremely close.
Differences right on the road.
Yeah, which is better. This is not on the road.
Yeah.
At 40,000. So how long has it been for sale? 76 days, which isn't that bad.
I like that one. That's a good comp too.
2.3 for 25. So you doubled your money. So it's all pointing to this. I mean,
I'm liking it.
What I love about it is just surrounded by houses. I mean, everywhere on all 4 corners of it have a house.
Mm-hmm.
So
look at that pond across the street.
Pond, cesspool, whatever it is. It's pretty.
That's right.
So this all points to yes, Greg.
I like it. From what I'm seeing right now, I would do the deal.
See if we can get right in front of it.
Oh yeah. Just see what the houses are going for. Because the only thing that would kill this deal for me, Greg, is if the houses are $40,000. Then I'm like, shoot.
Looks like their spot to build something.
Oh, yay. Blue. I saw blue. I'll bring it back. Watch. Right at the end.
Oh, good.
Yay.
That looks great.
I'm down.
Me too. Show's great. Do you ever wonder what makes
What's the orange thing? Is that a septic thing over there?
The Google driver just stop. He's like, this is just creeping me out. I'm turning around right here.
What made him stop there?
Yeah.
It'd be funny if we saw a guy with a gun. Just kidding.
What did you see? I don't know
What's that orange thing?
Probably septic.
That's what I think.
Or just a shadow.
Oh, maybe just something else. Oh, it's a mystery. Something
in there.
Something's hiding in the bushes.
Something that made the Google guy turn around.
That's why he stopped.
That's a yes.
Look at the swimming pools.
This is all getting developed and stuff. This is good. It's a good deal.
Yeah. Okay, I'm down. Cool. Happy you could join us today. 5 days a week. You can find us right here on the Land Academy Show.
You are not alone in your real estate ambition.